What's up coders, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will go through some best code editors and IDEs for Python. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. So at number 4 we have Sublime Text. Although this is a paid software, but it also provides you a free version of it. Sublime Text offers you syntax highlighting, multiple cursors, command palette, split editing, package control, customization, 3D printing, and some cool themes as well. So next we have Spider. Spider is one of the best code editors and IDE for Python because it is created in Python and it is specifically created for Python. It offers features like interactive console, variable explorer, code editor, integrated documentation, Jupyter notebook support, plots and graph, debugger, profiler, integration, code analysis, and also provides you some cool themes as well. So at number 2 we have Pycharm. If you are a beginner in Python, then Pycharm is best for you as it is very convenient and easy to use. The features Pycharm provides are refactoring capabilities, database tools, integrated terminal, version control, integration, support for web development, and it also provides you with very cool themes which you can download. It provides you with themes like OneDark Pro theme and etc. Last but not the least, VSCode. I personally use VSCode for Python programming. Although it is not specifically for Python, but it provides you with some extensions for Python programming like Python, Python indent, Python extension pack, and auto docstring as well. It also provides you with themes like bearded themes and etc. It also provides debugging tool, integrated terminal, rich extension ecosystem, intelligent code editing, and etc. So these were some best code editors for Python programming. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.